Sagittarius, I'm Beata, your astrologer for this forecast of April 2017. So let's break it down what you can expect during this month, okay? First, I would like to start with full moon because we all will experience full moon on April of 11th, and for you, full moon in Libra will occur in the 11th house of the chart and also in the 5th house of the chart. Now, what does it mean for you? Well, full moon's energy is all about letting go of things which don't serve us anymore. So, when it comes to your impacted areas, I would like to be more specific. 11th house is house of your friends. So maybe you will feel during this time, during this day, that you are not on the same wavelength with your friends, and maybe you will come to conclusion that you just don't want to be a friend with someone anymore, and it's completely okay, because this is what full moon requires from us, yes, to do that reflection and to decide. Yes, because only if you are willing to let go of things or even people who are not useful or proper for you, only then you can make a room for new friends, yes, and new things. This energy of full moon will not only be connected to your friends, but also to your project or group activities. If you are involved in any activities, I believe that you will be busy there during this 11th of April date and also 14 days after. Another thing is about your own business. If you want to start your own business, I don't recommend you to do it around this date, because full moon is more about letting go of things, but not about starting new ones, okay? So just wait for a while. Another thing I would like to talk about is transiting Saturn in square to planet Venus. It will be on the exact 0 degree in April. Well, those who are familiar with astrology know that this can be tough, yes, tough love. Because when you combine planet of coldness and distance with love and intimate relationships, well then it can be quite difficult or challenging, yes. For those who are in stable relationship, they may feel that there is really that coldness between you and your partner. And if you are single, I don't recommend you to step into new relationship now, because most likely it will be unrequited love, or you know, there will be a lot of obstacles at the beginning. So it is not recommended. Just wait for a while, okay? So when this transit is over, I believe that those couples who are in stable relationships will become even more empowered, because as they will be forced to focus on their relationship in April, later they can benefit from it, okay? Now I would like to end this forecast with new moon in Taurus. New moon in Taurus will be on 26th of April, and for you, or for all Sagittarius, it will be placed in the 6th house of the chart. Now, what does it mean for you? Well, new moon's effect is very beneficial. We all want more of it, and wherever new moon is placed, you can expect great results there. And for you, it is that 6th house area, which is area of your job, of your work, of your colleagues. Yes, so if you have some issues with your colleagues, now it will be over. Or you know, if you had to face some challenges in your job, now it will all calm down, and you can even become more successful in your career, in your job now. This new moon will also support your health, so you will be healthier, or you can come to conclusion that you want to sport or do some outdoor activities. This is all covered by this new moon and you can benefit there, okay? So I'm done with this forecast. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I wish you a very nice month. Bye bye!